Yeah, I just asked this baby like what's your name, and she said Sirjana, and I asked where is your father, and she said they lost their father and husband in this earthquake.
From America. My son Ethan and I are very happy to be here with you. Thank you to Prem. We read his message on the internet. He said we cannot turn away. These materials were donated by about 15 different people, and for this reason we're here and we're happy to be with you.
Just हामी Christian भएको कारणले गर्दा
We are going to that village where the people, the church is collapsed, church got damaged. So we are going to see that place, and we are going to pray what they are doing, so how we can pray for them and how we are going to help to them. So we are going to that village right now.
Yo, can you? I will take up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So what happened? Oh, he's very fear. So just earthquake came.
Yeah.
So here's my camera. It went flying out of my hands in the earthquake, and Ro went back to get it. So, man, I've never seen anything like it. We can get a shot of this over here. Look at this, avalanches everywhere, 360 degrees. It's devastating. I mean, the entire mountain just quaked. People are crying for help up top, and we don't know if they're injured or if they're just calling for loved ones. So right now everyone's gathering in the open area so we can see for rockfall and avalanches. I mean, this whole place has been lit up. I would be surprised if it wasn't about an 8 or 7.
What happened, Vikram?
Suddenly earthquake came and the people are, scared, running here, now in the hillside, and the rock, running, fall down, and people are all, confused, so worried.
No.
And he's injured. From the, suddenly that stone rocks running, that injured.
Lâu.
Yeah, I don't know if I have one.
Do you have any
आइस न मुभ छ भने मुभ छ त मालिस गर्ने दुखाइ मुभ त छैन पाए खै त
What happened? What happened?
Very travel.
Yeah, I feel that. Yeah.
Feel a little bit unprepared, but we were just up here for a daily visit and turned into a big catastrophe. I hope everyone's okay. There's many.
It is somehow similar like it, but it is long more than that.
The first one was longer.
First one is longer than this, and the second one is smaller than this.
Oh,
It means it is the second biggest.
second biggest.
Yes.
तर एउटा के हो भन्दाखेरि एकदम प्रत्यक्ष देखियो कि
Now we are live, you know.
Praise the Lord.
Congratulations for new life.
Thank God we say.
हामीले अहिले आउँदाखेरि यस्तो माथिबाट आउँदाखेरि अहिले रिसेन्टली हामीले चाहिँ एउटा अर्को फिल्म बनाउने भन्ने कुरा गाडी आएको अनि अचानक आएको
He started running away and I went under the mountain.
No,
and
I
then
went there. I saw the stories coming down. Then I said, run! Then boom!
Recently,
रियल खिचिरहेछ रियल खिचिरहेछ आको
you at the time you
Only at the end. At the
in
end.
the beginning.
I was trying to take it out when the earthquake was going.
I started running and my camera went, whoa.
He dropped it.
I saw there. The boom.
Okay. Well, yeah. Kind of arrived back to the town that we left, where we slept in the school, to see that it's even more demolished. And the cars are all bashed up and more buildings are destroyed. And people are probably more anxious to leave if they have the means. But Kathmandu has a refugee camp, so I think a few more might be convinced of that after today. Today, the second biggest earthquake this year. We were in the middle, center point of it. We're alive, for sure.
So this is a church where the 21 people is die, and we see the church is full of destroyed, damage, and like 21 people die, and we can see the people die. Sleepers is there, and they die, and they never came to take this sleeper.